Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about something really exciting that's changing how we travels. Electric vehicles or the EV. More and more people in India and around the world are choosing EV. But have you ever wondered how this all the EV charging of will affect the electricities that's power our home and cities? Just like our phone and laptop need to be recharged, EV also need electricity to run. When you plug in an EV, at home or at charging stations, it's draw electricity from the power grid to charge its battery. This battery then power the car's motor. Now imagine if the many people in the cities start using the EVs, charging up at the same time, especially in the evenings when everyone comes home. This sudden increase in the electricity demand can put a lot of pressure on the existing power grids. It's like everyone tuning on their appliance at the same time. But don't worry, they're having a smart solution. One is called smart charging. This technology allows an EV to charge at the time when electricity demand is lower. Like another idea is the vehicle to grid or V2G technology. In the futures, EV could also send some of their stored energy back to the grids when we need it, actions like the mobile batteries do. So, while the rise of the EV does present some of the challenges for the power grids, it also brings some exciting opportunities for a clear and more sustainable futures. By using the smart technologies and planning carefully, we can ensure that our power grid supports the growing numbers of the electric vehicles and help us to breathe in a little easier.